Sawadee Krap. Okay. All right, we are pulling up to Bangla Road in Patong, Phuket. Hey, bro. Hello, hello. How are you?
Fine, thank you. And you?
Very good, sir. Thank you. Hello, hello. Here we go. Well, okay, I'm okay. I don't think I even have an interest to see a ping pong show. Nothing against ping pongs or shows. It's just not my cup of tea. Hello, hello. No, thank you. What do we got going on over here? Oh, we got a nice little food area. Lobster. How much?
What you want?
Lobster. How much is a lobster anyway?
For by week
For
kilo?
maybe tomorrow. I already ate this steak.
1 kilo?
1 kilo?
400 for 1 kilo.
2,400?
400.
Oh, 400?
Yeah.
That's a good price. Okay, tomorrow I might come back here. Thank you. 400 is like 10 bucks. Maybe less. Patong shooting range. That guy have a huge scorpion. Oh yeah. This guy's selling scorpions. Oh, it tastes like chicken.
Like chicken, yeah.
Tastes like chicken, huh? It's a scorpion. How much?
You want small size, big size, small, big?
Small is fine.
300.
300. How much for a big size?
5.
Okay, I maybe later, but good luck. Okay. I had one of those before. Oh, pork rib. Very good pork rib. Huh?
Little bit. You try. Pork belly.
Oh,
Chicken,
pork belly.
Beef, duck, crocodile.
Crocodile.
Yeah, crocodile.
How much is crocodile?
100 baht for one steak.
Oh, that's good. Okay,
Yes.
maybe
And
later.
chicken, 50 baht more.
I'm gonna go party tonight,
Yes.
and then I might come back to have some food with you. Thank you, boss. Hello, boss.
Yeah, good evening, boss.
Say hello. Come see me.
Hello, good evening. Yum yum.
Okay.
You want to eat something?
Yum yum. Everybody say yum yum.
Hello, brother.
Hello, brother. Oh my God, you got octopus.
Check it out, right?
You got big fish.
Yeah, big fish.
Wow, good job, man. Did you catch this fishing?
Yeah.
Wow, big lobster. Oh my gosh,
What do you want?
that's huge. That comes from Thailand?
Yeah, Thailand.
Right here in the ocean?
Made in Thailand. Yeah, I dive in the ocean.
You catching. Oh my God, that's big. Oh, that looks like some dessert. Good food, good food, good food. Hello, boss. Good job today. Maybe later. Okay. Well, now we'll head back out onto Bangla Road after we just saw a whole variety of different things. What a party, huh? Hello.
How are you?
Good, sir. Oh, yeah. So you got that? I might come back and see that guy. Hello. Okay, I like this place. Look how many people are eating here. You get everything, anything you could possibly want, including noodle. Some noodle is always a safe play. Those are, again, some big lobster. Oh my god. I'm gonna go through here, because I haven't yet gone through here. Oh. Little fake market. Ooh. You go, boss.
50 baht.
Hello, hello.
1, 2, 3.
Doing a new hack.
That's why I have big size also.
I got some sunglasses that were like fake Ray-Bans for 700 baht. I think that's like maybe 20 bucks. There's a mall over there. Oh, what the heck is going on up there? Sugar Club Phuket. There's Tiger Bar. More of that fake market. How do you think Armani feels about that? Actually, probably the most fake stuff. Hugo Boss. Oh man. They got a toilet. Ice bar. 5 beer. Hello, hello. 5 tequila shots. Okay, okay. Number one. Oh my gosh. He's clowning. Smoking. Where's all the smoke coming from? Bullet hole. Maragogo. Look at that place. Like a Wild West. Actual hammers, like big old hammers. Hello, hello. Is there a hotel over there, huh? Hello, 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 hello. No thank you, no thank you, no thank you, no thank you. Thank you, thank you, no thank you. Grab my arm. Hello. Let's go through here. Just kind of cruising. Hello. Sawadee Krap. Good, good.
Hello, hello.
Oh my God. Big bar, big bar. have a beer? You. No beer for you? Okay.
I have Patong Thailand.
Oh, Patong Thailand. Okay. Hello. Okay. Hello. Come visit him. Oh God. Susie Wong's too. Hello, hello. Welcome. I don't know what to make of this place. I mean, this is absolute insanity. It's like this every night, though. Things I do for you guys. Walk around with a camera. Hello, welcome. Thank you. Sawadee Kap. Soy Freedom 1. Sawadee Kap. How are you? Maybe later I'll come back and party. Yes. Hello. Hello. Oh, we got a nice show going on. Hello, welcome. Hello, welcome. Got a big show going. Tipsy bar. Okay, hello, welcome. Come in. Okay. Hello. You know, there's not too many places that are this crazy at night. Ever. I mean, every night? Come on. Could you imagine this place on New Year's? Hello. Okay. Hello. Making sure. The hard part is not getting your arm grabbed where they stop you. They'll grab your arm pretty hard. Like, come on in. Aussie bar. Right across the street is a kangaroo bar. Okay. What do we got going on over here? More go-go. Hello. Everybody just has fun, does whatever they want. They try to hustle you, they try to love you, they try to hold you, they try to party with you, and it's all tolerated, so whatever. I know, you want to sell me a suit. I know, I already got a suit. Look at my shirt. I already got it. Well, hopefully that was a good enough show for you guys. Oh, they got something building right here. I don't know what they're building. Hello, sir. I just, look at my shirt. You can see I already bought a lot. I don't, but I don't need that many. How much?
Sorry?
How much?
I did better price, man. I have
What's
a
the price?
many
This is
different
good
colors.
quality, bro.
Yeah, I got the same one. 1,000 baht.
How much?
1,000 baht.
Oh. 500 baht. No, I'm sorry, 800 baht. Yeah. I've already got my guy. I don't know what's down there, but here's the beach. It's Patong Beach. It's Bangla Road. I could keep cruising if you guys want, but I'm gonna call it right here. I might pick up later. If not, hope you guys enjoyed this one from Bangla Road in Phuket, Thailand.